In this video, I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 17.1.1 in just 10 minutes. That's right, you can now jailbreak the latest iOS version and enjoy all the benefits of Cydia. But before we get started, let me show you that I have jailbreaked my iPhone with the newest iOS. As you can see, I have the Cydia app on my home screen, which is only possible when your iPhone is jailbreaked. It works perfectly. And to prove that I'm on the newest iOS, let me go to the settings and you can see that my iOS version is 17.1.1, the most recent one. So if you want to jailbreak your iPhone too, follow along and I'll guide you through it. Before we begin, we need to adjust some settings on your iPhone to make sure the jailbreak goes smoothly. It's very easy, and I'll explain it to you. First, go to the General tab in your settings. Here, you need to turn on the Background App Refresh option. This option allows apps to update their content in the background, which is essential for the jailbreak process. Make sure it's on and choose your preferred option, either Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, go to the Battery tab in your settings. Here, you need to turn off the Low Power Mode option if it's on. This option can affect your phone performance, which we don't want for the jailbreak. Just turn it off and you're good to go. Now, for the last step before we get to the fun part. Open the App Store and check if Automatic Downloads is on. This option will ensure that Cydia is downloaded automatically once the jailbreak is done. With all these settings done, we're ready to jailbreak your iPhone. Open your favorite internet browser on your iPhone and go to the website jblelite.cc. This website is the best source for an Uncover iOS jailbreak. When you're on the site, find the Jailbreak button and tap on it. On the next page, tap on Jailbreak again and confirm your choice. Please wait patiently as the injection process may take a few minutes to finish. Trust me, it's worth it. After the injection process is complete, Cydia will be installed on your iPhone, giving you access to a huge variety of apps and games that you can't get otherwise. If you liked this tutorial, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.